Good morning! Dito kami ngayon sa Botanical Garden. Dati maraming taong nagpa-picture pero sa ngayon wala pa. Wala ng mga igurot na nagpa-picturean.
Sa puting linya na yan.
So, saan ang entrance daw? Ay, wait, there is a payment? There is a, no?
Environmental fee.
Okay.
30 pesos only. 10.
Yes, right. So, sa ngayon guys, may bayad na pala ngayon ang environmental fee. That's why, ayun lang kami bumalik mula nung quarantine. Ay, okay sir, thank you. Kasi dati wala pa eh. Okay, sige, thank you. So ngayon mayroon na palang bayad yung pagpasok mo ng Botanical Garden kasi environmental fee daw. Hindi ka na nakapasok natin. Oh. Mayroon na kaming bit-bit para hindi na kami magtulat. Saan nilagay? Para hindi na kami mag-ano. Mayroon na. Pangalan. Para hindi na bala. So, ngayon papasok na kami. Thank you, guard.
Thank you.
Okay. Sana sumali ka naman last. I-join mo lang. I-join. Magsalita ka last. Lakasan nyo Last ito. You improved my class.
Your first time or second time here in the park actually, but kind of missed the place.
Right.
And definitely one of the places you should visit if you're in Baguio.
But before, I think there is a plant there. I don't know. Yeah, before there is not a plant for
I think maybe they've been cleaning it up a bit with the plants.
So, photographer is not listening, right?
Yeah.
So, we're gonna be today. Here? Right here or here?
Let's go here.
Here? Okay. Okay. Pusing-pusing na lang kami dito. Siguro ito i-riskian at kasi hindi na maganda.
Maybe.
Hello guys! Welcome to Botanical Garden! So ito ngayon naninibago kami kasi dati marami itong plants, maraming flowers dito pero siguro i-renovate ito. Kasi wala ng mga flowers so dati hindi ka makastep dito. Or hindi lang na alagaan kasi COVID.
Sure.
Yeah.
It needs a hand cleaned up a little bit.
Yes. Oh, what's your step? What's your step, please?
I'll photograph her fall.
Ito kasi anything about Botanical Garden, not so good. Hindi siya na linisan. Parang napabayaan kasi yung tourist.
Walang nag-maintain.
Wala na yung wala. This is the kubo. Dati madaming tao. There's a lot of people here before when there is no COVID. This is the nice place because here is kubo. Tabi-tabi po.
Missing a few. Be careful of the nails.
I'll have you take picture.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you get there.
Ano ba yan?
Okay. 3,
Picture
2,
muna.
1, smile. And we just one more.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay, how about you, Lassie? You sit
How about
down.
you? Yeah, I got the.
Yeah, you sit down there. I will take a picture.
Nagkakapitsura na po.
Ha, paano to?
Yun lang.
I was gonna say I'm worried about.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Yeah.
Remove your face mask first. Because there is no people naman eh.
There's people behind you there.
Na, okay. Just a little. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile. Right. Okay. So dati guys, dito kasi marami ditong mga Igorot costume. So ang dami-dami ditong dami ditong nagpapapicture. Yun ang nangyayari sa COVID, maraming business ang nawawala, hanap buhay nawawala. So ito yung mga nagpaparent costume. So what's your step, my dear daughter?
Yes, small for dear.
Ito na ngayon, walang patao-tao.
What to say? Say
What can you see about the place? There is
it's,
a changes.
it's definitely a beautiful place.
It's
I think
different.
they're sowing new flowers and such.
Yeah, there is
I think they like
yeah.
freshen up, but I also think it needs to
I
be
think
cleaned up
we
a
will
little
not,
bit.
we don't need to use the face mask because there is no people.
Come on,
that
no
I can
face,
breathe.
no face
No
mask,
face mask.
no facial.
No, huminga lang ako, please.
Okay.
Huminga lang ako. So, pasok tayo dito. Dito, pasok tayo.
Mm-mm.
Okay, here we are. O, dyan ka lang, G.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Posing kami dito. Yan.
Take
Okay,
picture.
Lassie, you take the...
I'll take a picture.
Okay. So guys, dito pinipicturean na naman ako ni Lassie. Parang ako naman itong hindi taga Baguio. O, kunan mo si Lassie. Tapos kunan mo yung environment. Ayun.
2, 1, and one more. 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Okay.
So the houses we saw earlier, that's
That's
houses people used to live in back in, like far back, or
Yeah.
the houses where we
Yung
sat on
mga
the
nipa
stairs.
hut.
That's
Ah, yes.
like
Like
before the
the-
Spanish people came.
Ah yes, right. That's the tradition of the
Yeah.
yeah. The old houses before.
Yeah.
Maybe during the
Maybe even during the Spanish occupation. I don't know. Some old benches and tables here.
Picture my love.
All the things. 3 seconds.
Picture na naman po.
Yeah, me too.
So ito ngayon, pipicturean ako ni Lassie. Ang baligtad nga guys. Kasi ako, itong taga Baguio. Ito naman si Lassie ang picture sa akin.
Okay, let's move back a little bit so we get up next. 3, 2, 1, orange.
What?
Orange.
In Denmark we say sea apple
Orange.
sea.
Apple scene.
Marami din palang taong namamasyal. Ay, pakunti-kunti lang. Pero hindi katulad, not like before that there's a lot of people and wearing the Igorot costumes. That's why me and Stephen are wearing the Igorot costume during the time. We went there in Burnham Park the first time he came here. He came here, yeah.
Oh. But now they're not allowed.
I will be the one to
That's
okay. So let's go here.
So I think they renovated this part here a bit.
Yeah.
It's been painted and
What maintenance?
Manually painted, though.
Yeah, but there is no, not like before that.
You and Steven have pictures here, ma.
I will take a picture to you, Lassie, because I'm from Baguio City. Okay.
Not too far, my love. No, it's
Okay,
fine.
ready?
Nagpipicturan na po sila, mga kababayan. Nice, oh.
See, before kasi malinis yun, that's clean. It's clean.
I remember that there was no water here last time I was here, but that was also how many years ago? 4
4
years
years.
ago, I think. First time I was here.
Come here, my love.
This is you have the umbrella here?
Yeah.
A small.
It's slippery, my love.
Yeah, definitely one thing that impressed me here is like seeing the.
The what?
Careful.
Oh.
Ito yung, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag ito. Square na ito.
Here you can meet Kung Fu Panda. Or someone
Panda,
that
the
looks like it.
Cocomelon. Take a picture the Cocomelon. Cocomelon.
Naku,
Cocomelon.
I remember we took a lot of pictures here in this park. First time we visited. But there's also so much to see.
Yeah.
Careful, watch your step.
But this is my first time to saw those
What?
animals.
Oh yeah, all the Chinese.
Chinese.
Take a picture here. Your tiger. And your off.
Ah. I love your year of the what?
82, so I am probably. I'm not talking.
Year of the. Ma, year of the
Tiger.
ox ka.
Rooster.
A rooster pala din, no?
Oh, we can't see.
Oh, find your
Find your.
That's
year.
87.
What year you are?
88.
No.
88.
So possibly I could be the.
Can you check it online, my love? It's there naman eh.
This is a pig. So,
Maybe I'm dragon.
watch your step.
Or
We'll check.
dragon because snake is 89.
Yeah.
Take the picture.
Let's see. Have you found yours yet?
Yeah, rooster.
You what?
Rooster.
Are you a rooster?
Thinkers.
Sheep,
about your
me,
mom?
sheep. No, my mom is a
Are
rooster.
thinkers and talented. They like to be busy and are devoted beyond their capabilities. They're often both eccentric and might have difficult relationship with others below. Ang habang basahin, so ito na lang ako.
Tinamad na po, mga kababayan.
Tamad na ako. Lumabas na ako, tamarami ako kita.
Asa yung mag-picture sa'yo? Pinahanap mo, ma.
So,
Ah, wait. Ah, stop ko, ah. Ah, wait lang.
oy, careful. Hi, Oscar. Ang galing ko yung ating ano muna.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I can take picture pala while taking the video. Oo, pwede.
Kahit na naka-ano.
Oo.
Ano niya ito ba?
Sheep. Ah, goat. Ah, yeah, goat.
I will take a picture.
I'm a dragon.
Isama ko kayo dun.
Ay, dragon. Okay.
Okay.
Year of the
We'll take
dragon.
picture.
Oh, yeah. Picture of you. Oh yes. Step over here.
Paano pag ipindutin tapos tuloy pa rin?
Ay, yung, wag mo, ano ito lang
What?
Wait, malab. Ito lang pipindutin mo.
Ay, sige, sige, sige.
That one for picture.
Okay, okay. Careful!
Okay.
Haniko is year of the goat.
So, ito si Chi, year of the goat.
Ikaw, malab.
Hmm?
Dragon?
I'm year of the dragon.
Yeah, let's go there.
Where is the dragon?
It's down here.
Ah, okay. Where? Ah, yeah,
The
that
red,
one.
the
Yeah.
red lizard.
Yes.
Year of the ship.
Nakakaano din palang maglakad-lakad, no?
Oh, yeah. Made from plastic.
Swerte!
It actually looks kind of cute. This thing. You remember when we were here?
Swerte!
Remember when we were here visiting the cave?
Yeah. Well, I'll take a picture of you.
Swerte!
I just stand here next to my, I was gonna say spirit animal, but this is the Chinese New Year.
Yeah, one. Wait.
Corona!
1, 2, 3.
Careful.
Smile. Where's your phone? One more.
The corona! Ako na, Chi. Ako na ko kami. Ako na.
Muna sila.
Oh, hello.
Mga
Mga guys, ito na. Pinapakita ko sa inyo yung ganda ng
Dragon will be
botanical garden. So, ito ngayon. Yan.
1, 2, 3.
Ayan si Lassie, nagpicture na, nagpo-post na. Yeah. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung wow! Year of the ox. See? Year of the ox. Baba na tayo. Ito na siya. Is rat. Year of the rat. Yan. Iba ngayon guys kasi nung kung wala pang COVID, napakadaming tao dito. Sobrang daming tao dito. Kung ano. Dami nila. 89. Yan, ito, papunta na kami dito. Ito yung pig. Si Piggy. Si Doogie. Si Doogie. Si Roster. Ito si Roster. Yan, ito si Roster. So, ito na yung dalawa. Bumababa na. Nasaan na yung...
Bakit hindi nakabaligtad niya?
Hi,
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
Ito na lang po tayo nagbablog na.
Dito na kami. Papunta kami doon sa may elephant.
They have some sunlight inside.
Punta kami doon sa may elephant. May daanan ba? Or siguro meron. Pero we'll see.
What elephant are we talking?
It's close naman. Why? There's a big elephant there. It's
Maybe
close.
see it from up here.
Yeah, maybe they are renovating. The sea. That's the big elephant. Right?
Oh yeah.
See?
I know.
Why?
Different way.
In different
Maybe
place. So,
that's. I think if we go back to the Chinese New Year.
okay. So,
you have to be careful. With it.
what? We need to go
If we
back?
go back to
Okay.
the Chinese New Year, and also maybe we can go around.
The corona year. This is the corona year. You be careful going down. Which is true naman, it's corona year. Doon tayo pupunta kung may food panda. Doon may food panda. Food panda. Food panda. Kakain na. Picturean ko kayo dyan. Chi. Tayo kayo. Ibaba mo nga yung sa plastic. Ilikod mo na lang. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, here, the food panda there.
Kung Fu Panda man.
Kung Fu panda.
We have Kung Fu Panda up here.
Oh, be careful. So, punta tayo sa food panda or Kung Fu Panda. Naalala ang food panda. Naku, vloggers ha. Remember the food panda. Dito tayo sa food panda. Sa Kung Fu Panda. Here.
Okay.
Sabi ni food panda. Uy, dito.
Maganyan. Yan. Wait. 1, 2, 3, smile. Nakasmile pa si Kung Fu Panda.
Tika nga.
Isa pa.
Saan ko ilagay ito? Ito muna.
1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. You also, my love. I'll take
You
picture of
also
you.
see.
I didn't
Picturean
sleep
ko
as
muna.
much as I did last night because otherwise I would look more like him.
Yeah. Okay. Ito na sila yung aking kinukuhaan. Picture
Panda is also
sa Kung Fu Panda.
friendship. Kung Fu Panda. Whoosh.
Ikaw na lang kukuha, chika. Biniligtad pala ito eh.
1, 2, 3, smile.
It's hard to smile his face.
Punta ka doon.
Anong gawin ko?
Hello, please hold my mom's camera.
Anong gagawin ko?
I'll take a picture of you.
When
Paano? Paano?
1, 2, 3, smile.
Smile daw.
Kasi ang makulay.
Smile.
yeah,
Ay, oo.
Makulay.
Ganda ah. Nice.
we smile in front of the panda, but it's
So,
hard to
where
see
we
with
gonna
the face.
go?
You
Here?
guys
Down
want to
here?
try the cave again?
The cave, I don't like, my love. There's a snake.
But there is a wishing well there.
Oh, in front of the cave.
Let's see if we can get to the elephant.
Basta elephant muna tayo.
We can try and see if we can find a different route to the elephant.
What's that? Ano ay?
Yeah, what's the small step here?
Yeah.
One thing they could do better is the steps and
Yeah.
the ground itself.
Yeah.
Oh, there's running water
Take a
here.
picture here. See?
1, 2, 3. Smile.
Sorry, cheers.
Okay.
This is still recording.
Yeah.
So yung Chinese, ano, yung parang-
Ma,
ang tao kasi Sunday ngayon. Pag
dito
Sunday-
ka.
Saan?
Center.
The Filipino Chinese Friendship Garden.
Mm-mm. Wait ah. 1, 2, 3. Ay, super. 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Smile.
Okay.
Okay.
One more. You take picture, my love.
I take picture or?
You take picture on your phone.
Yeah.
Using your phone.
Hindi yan na lang.
1, 2, 3. Smile.
Wait, I think I will try it.
Okay.
Okay. One more, but I need to get a little further back.
Kamingaw. Mingaw kayo. Let's go.
Here.
Let's see if we can find the elephant here. What is it?
Dead end na yan, ma. Dito tayo.
Is that a dead end?
Yeah.
The elephant?
We'll go back.
Elephant.
Oh, really?
Ma, ikaw nag-iya kanina sa elephant pa.
Ay, okay. Let's go to elephant. Be careful.
Yeah.
I always, ano.
I will.
So, this is the Friendship Pavilion. So, let's take a picture here. Moira, ahas.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay. Let's go back.
Let's go back.
Kasi
doon yung
What is this?
Chinese leader friendship tree. So,
This is the, no?
this
The
ship, I
Christmas
think,
tree that you tell me that you use in
not quite.
using for the Christmas tree in Denmark.
This
is the one? No.
The pines is different here. It looks like they're
Yeah,
curling
yeah.
and such. The Danish pine trees are very different,
Yes.
Yeah.
Pero ako, ay ano, hindi tayo sa... Wala nang ba
and they
ibang
stay
way
green all year round.
to go to, we will go to
Here, ma.
elephant. Here?
I think we have to go up this way.
I think
back around.
the place of elephant is closed because I did not see the people be there.
Maybe
We'll
it's
try.
our, maintenance area.
Yeah, maybe the maintenance also around because there is a lot of plants here. Can we get the plants?
No, we can't.
Lot of flowers.
Not sure we'd love to.
Let's go na lang doon. Huwag natin punta sa elephant kasi hindi na makapasok.
Oo.
Ay, tingnan mo ang ginawa mo. Baka
Yeah.
akong kasalanan din sa vlog na yun. Masali na yan. Here, that's it. Pagbasahin mo yun. Stay back.
Go back park.
Naku po.
Sounds like take back park. But we need to redo some of the paths. Like here it's nice, but then you have this where
That
you
place-
walk up
Yeah.
past the
But
take back park. But definitely a good park if you just want to go walk around, see some of the floral things in the right back here. Maybe they closed it off up there. Looks like they closed off the access to the mine.
Mm-mm. Pwede naman na.
Yeah.
Wait, wait. Hold this. There is no
Water?
water.
Hmm.
Oh, the wishing well.
Ano na ako, Chi?
The Japanese had dried out.
Ano na ako. Bye-bye mga guys. Ito po, pinapakita namin yung botanical garden. So, ito kasama ko yung aking son-in-law.
Bye-bye.
Say hi to my
Hi,
vlog.
vlog. I thought you were ending the vlog.
And then,
Napasubo na naman po
No.
tayo.
bye-bye. Bye-bye guys. Susunod na ng vlog ko.
Buyers!
Buyers. Bye. Na ano na ako. Bye-bye.